Broken hearts, broken dreams, nothing's ever really what it seems. Broken love, tears and streams, I'm lost inside my own extremes. Nights alone, staring at the ceiling, every memory, 'cause it's so revealing. Tried to fix it but it fell apart. Now your shadow's engraved on my heart. Bottles empty, mind in pain. Every song I write just calls your name. I gave my all but it wasn't enough. Now I'm walking through the night so rough. Broken hearts, broken dreams, nothing's ever really what it seems. Broken love, tears and streams, I'm lost inside my own extreme. Faded pictures, letters burn, lessons learned but the tide still turn. Every step I take reminds me still of a love that left a void I can't fill. Echoes linger, haunting my mind, searching for peace that I can't find. If love is war, I've lost the fight, walking alone through the endless night. Broken pieces scattered on the floor, every heartbeat hurts more and more. Wish I could go back, make it right, but I'm trapped here